it's easy to pull off. So we're gonna go over the MacBook Air Gold on 2019. I am super duper excited. I just want to see the Apple stickers so badly. Guys, let's open it. Oh my. Oh my god. Is this what I think it is? The MacBook Air Gold. Can't you see that? It's like a little baby. Okay, so how do I take this out, you guys? Okay, guys. This is the MacBook Air Gold. So let's put this to the side. Since this is an open box, so this is the charger, which has 2 parts in it. Next one. Don't tell me. This is the greatest thing in my life. Let's open. Oh my god. Can't you see that? Okay, let's. Okay, good thing I can't see it yet. I have a manual and Apple stickers. They're so gold and so cool and shiny. This is the same color as the laptop. Ooey, gooey. And lastly, you got your charging brick. Let's put this on the floor so we can check out the laptop with the Touch ID. Is it on? Okay guys, here's the Apple. It is. So this is the laptop. Oh my god guys, I'm so happy. The newest thing on the laptop is that there is a Touch ID. We're gonna test out the new Touch ID. We're gonna keep on putting our finger in like that. And now our Touch ID is ready. So we're gonna lock our computer. Okay, now we're gonna click this space and then after that we're gonna put our thumb in. See, it works! Ah!
It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Can I take you there?
For kids, and I'm so sad, but I'll make this video for adults. This video is not intended for kids. I am so like a tasty coconut Oreos. I think we're gonna test out how loud the speaker is. So this is the caramel Oreos. I'm so excited. Oh my! Taste this. So that has coconut cream put it down. And it has coconut pieces. I'm like, that's so. Thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Click the bell button and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!